Guess what day it is? I just got my September Enchanted Crystal box in the mail. This is a subscription box. The one I get is $58 a month. They also have a smaller version that is $16. I will link their information below. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. Each month you get a new crystal grid. For September we got a pretty teal one. Our letter from the curator, Adam. We always get a smaller bag of smaller mini crystals. This month it says we have jade, red aventurine, and Tibetan quartz. These are usually good sizes for crystal grids. Jade. Red aventurine. Tibetan quartz. First up is a Tanzanian blue kyanite. It says it's rare. Right, my camera cut out and we missed a couple pieces. We have a scepter, rare. Kaolite and smoky quartz. Very nice sized smoky quartz point. There is lots of rainbow action down in there. And then the other piece that I opened and didn't know I was not recording was a black obsidian wand. I will be using mine to activate crystal grids. Nice polished wand. We have a limonite after pyrite. A nice little cube. Looks like rust, the color of rust almost. And the last goodie is a river tumbled topaz. River tumbled topaz. Okay, so that was a very quick Enchanted Crystal unboxing. Again, I will have the information about this box below. I'm very excited to go play with my new crystals. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!